What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A Roberson Photo, A Roberson Media, and this time I'm doing a different type of audio testing video. This time I'm doing direct comparisons. I'm no longer doing any comparisons between the Canon G50 built-in microphone. I'm going to do comparisons from microphone to microphone. This is the Neewer NW-700. Can you see that? Neewer NW-700, and this is the Neewer NW-800. And I'm going to bounce between both microphones to see if you can tell which microphone sounds better. And when I bounce between the two microphones, I'm not going to let you know which audio is what. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lower this arm, and I'm going to hide this microphone just a little bit so you guys can't see it. And then when I talk into the microphones, I'm going to lean down and talk into the mics, but I'm not going to let you know which one I'm talking into, so you guys can try to make a decision and let me know, is it microphone A or microphone B? Let me know which one you guys think sounds the best. So let me go ahead and do my little shuffle. Microphone has been shuffled, so here we go. So first microphone, here it is. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you tell which microphone this is? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you tell which mic? And now, you see my big head? Now, I'm going to go ahead and talk into the other microphone. Which other microphone is it? I'm not telling you, but go ahead and give it a listen. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you tell the difference? I don't know. I almost forgot which one I'm using. So if I can't tell, can you tell? Do you have a better ear than me? Do you know which microphone sounds better? I don't know. They're from the same manufacturer, but one is supposed to be better than the other. I don't know. Can you tell? Maybe. I think both of them sound good, actually. After I've been using them for a little while, I've been testing them a little bit, and they both sound pretty good, pretty decent, especially considering the price point. One of them I paid $15 for. Other one I paid $11 for during Cyber Monday. You can't beat that. That is amazing audio. I mean, that's amazing audio for that price. So right now I'm talking into both microphones, and I'm just going to split the audio later so you guys can try to make an informed decision. I know which one is which, but you don't, and I'm not going to tell you until the end, which is pretty much coming up now. But anyway, I just wanted to test these two microphones side by side to see if you guys can tell the difference between the two. Is it better? Is the NW-700 better than the NW-800? I mean, even though I got the NW-800 for less, statistics have shown that the NW-800 seems to be the more popular microphone. Is it better? I don't know. I kind of like them both, but if you can tell the difference, please leave me a comment and let me know if you can tell the difference in between the two. And hopefully this quick, silly test allowed you to make an informed decision on which microphone you want to get for yourself, especially considering the price point. You might want to get both if you can't determine which one is which, but, oh, sorry, that's my Ring doorbell. But if you can make a decision, let me know if this quick test helped you, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm going to do another microphone comparison.